What's up, guys? Hunting6 2007 here, and I'm here playing some Five Nights at Freddy's. Turn my game down real quick. If you guys watched the last one, I actually recorded that back in Chicago. I just forgot to upload it, so right now I'm actually uploading it while I'm recording this. This ain't live, really. So, anyway, last time I played through Night 2. So, let's play through Night 3. Okay. The third night. I actually learned this new strategy. I can't do that, this thing's too slow. Ew. I'm doing pretty bad. I'll have to make sure this thing gets faster. I'll adjust it somehow. Basically, the strategy I learned is I was watching the Markiplier. I'm subscribed to the Markiplier. So basically, the strategy he used was, for the larger nights, that he hit the door, flip up, check on fire speed, then check your door lights. Basically, then he just repeats the pattern. I'm sorry if I grow silent. I just like to focus. This is a really bad strategy. Look, I'm almost dead. This is actually just an experiment. They can do it. Yeah, I think I lost. Hold still. If he doesn't see you, play dead. I'm dead. Yeah, that sucks anyway. Nuts. I'll give her another shot. I'll give her one more shot. I'll keep trying. I'm just gonna edit the video till I get to at least 2 a.m. I'm pretty sure you guys don't want to watch me go through that. Okay, I made it to 1 a.m. right now. So I'm gonna try to continue the video throughout here. Like, I really need to check them more often on Foxy. This is a terrible job. I don't like this job. Yep, bomb's over there. I'll get you out later, Lele. In the kitchen, making cupcakes. Make me a cupcake. I'll be back. I think I just gotta... Sorry, I just had to go get the cat. That was very scary. You guys there? I guess I'm really close. I mean, I'm pretty much at 50% tower. Yeah, basically that strategy I was doing earlier, I think you can wait on that strategy. Like, once you get farther, I think it'd be a good strategy. I think I can do this. I mean, I got... Ooh, it's 4 a.m. Was I checking the timer earlier or not? Sorry, brother's coming in. Get that door closed. Oh, come on. Am I gonna do this? Can I do it? Can I do it? Freddy, please take as long as you can. Please take as long as you can. Yes! Yes! Take that, Freddy! 2 attempts, and I did it. Anyway, I'm not gonna make the 4th video yet. I'm gonna wait on that. No, yeah, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye-bye. Just gonna leave you here with the view of the place. See ya. Do subscribe today.